Okay, everyone. So now we are going to discuss a topic. The name of the topic is control structure. The control structure means how we are going to control the structure of the program which we have made. And there are three things which are very important under the control structure, or we can say that these are the types. So first one we are having is the sequence. So we say it as the sequence control structure. We know that if I write a program normally, and in that we are having multiple lines, means printf, scanf, then further printf, then scanf, calculation. So all these things go in a proper sequence, line by line, one by one. So that is called the sequence control structure. Means whenever you are writing a normal program, that is nothing but your sequence control structure. The next one we are having is the selection. Selection is also called the decision making. There is another name of selection, that is called the decision making. Now decision making is what? Let us suppose that we are having the same program as we have written earlier, and there are multiple lines which are written. Now in the decision making we see that out of this line or this line only one should execute. That is called the decision making. Means based on some condition you are going to execute this line but not executing this line. So that is called the decision making. And for decision making we know that we are having if else control structure, and we are having the switch case. So these helps us in the decision making. Decision making means, like if I say the program of even number, we are saying this number is even, so print this. This is not even, so do not print this. So that is the part of if else or the switch case. Similarly, we are having one more control structure, that is called the looping. Now we are having the same program as we are discussing earlier, and we are having multiple set of program lines like printf, scanf or something. Now I want that these two lines should be repeating multiple times. That is called the looping, means performing the same task multiple times. That is called the looping. Let us suppose that I have to calculate the marks of student 1. Again 2, 3, 4, 60 students. 60 times I am doing the same thing. That is called the looping. I will not write the same thing 60 times. I will simply use the looping statement. So looping statements are for, while and do while. So these are the looping statement.